Hey y'all, welcome to Fruity Makers. I'm Amanda. It is super hot today and Sunshine and I are here. This is the Airstream here. And we are going to be moving that out today. We're doing some yard work here on our new location. This is the septic system that's going to be going in pretty soon. That won't be today. But I'm going to show you guys a snake hole where the septic was. And it's up against this shop. So the camper is going to go here where the Airstream is now. And there is this building here that is a shop. That's where the good neighbor has like his stuff. And there's also a room in that we may be able to use for some storage. I know many of you have asked about like food storage and like how that's going to work. He has a shop here. That's kind of what we were planning to do on our family land as well, but I'm just amazed at how things are falling into place since we've decided to stay here. I'm going to show you guys kind of where the septic is going, as well as bring you guys along for some of this yard cleanup, and we're going to get this Airstream out. Just to give you guys some perspective on the property and the landscape, the Airstream is sitting kind of where our camper is going to go, but it's going to come a little more cat-a-corner. And I want you guys to notice all the shade. These trees are shading it beautifully. It's very hot out here already, but under the shade, it's many degrees cooler. And that's going to help with our electric bill. That's going to help us just be able to enjoy the outdoors much longer during the day. We're really excited about that because we love to play outside. These trees are beautiful, and it's going to be wonderful to have our camper right here. This is up against the shop. This is where a 55-gallon tank had been. I don't know if you guys can see this, but it looks like an animal has taken up residence down in here. What rattlesnakes like to do is to take over other little animals' homes, and so that has the potential to be very hazardous. We're going to be filling this in, and then the septic system is going to be elsewhere. So this is going to be the new tank. It's a 200-gallon tank, and as you can see, there's quite a bit of brush around here that we have to move, so I'm going to be working on that some. And then hopefully by the end of the day we will get this Airstream unhooked. We have to unhook 3 things today. This is the electric, the blue is the water, and then this was a drain pipe from their sink, and this was from a shower. They had a composting toilet, so all of this is just gray water that we have to unhook. One of the good things though is that the neighbor already has a hookup here for electricity, so that's something that we won't have to work on. That's already ready to rock and roll. But there is quite a bit to do. Like all this underbrush has to come up. These limbs had already been cut, so there is a lot of underbrush here, limbs and things that I'm going to have to move in a minute. We're going to be just working on this as long as it stays cool enough. Y'all, it's only 8 o'clock and it is already bearing down on us, but the good thing is that where this Airstream is, it is shady. There are tons of trees above us and all of this shade is ours. It's going to be wonderful to have that RV out of the sun. I'm very much looking forward to that. It's really going to help with our electric bill. It's also very beautiful. We're going to be able to grow a lot of plants here because the sun won't scorch them. This tree over here already has a swing attached to it, so this is going to be a perfect place for Sunshine to play, and it's shaded, so it's going to stay cooler during the day. These Mississippi summers are scorching hot, and so this is just perfect. We're really excited.